Okay, so this is La Paz. Just taking a really quick drive-through tour of La Paz. A lot of stuff is closed, but it's our first time here, so we figured after El Tesoro Beach, we would drive through the town of La Paz, the Malecon, Hotel Las... What is that thing?
Los Arcos.
Oh, it's Arcos.
Los Arcos.
Really cool. Oh, that one's all boarded up. There's so many businesses closed. It's really sad. But there'll be people back.
It's
People will come back.
worldwide.
Yeah, it's worldwide. But I have to say, feel very safe. Do you feel safe here, babe?
Perfectly safe.
Yeah, perfectly safe.
Safer than I do at home.
Yeah, so much safer here. All boarded up. They're taking so many more precautions than we are in the States. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, they're taking this seriously. That's all boarded up from the hurricane, probably. Look at that. That looks new. Hurricane came through here 2 weeks ago. Then they had another storm a week ago. Alto.
I know. I was looking for Highway 1 sign.
Yeah, look at that. It's all boarded. They're still building that and probably put glass in there and had to board it all up. So, just a quick drive through. Now I think we're off the Malecon. And, short video, but just wanted you guys to be along on our adventures. And there will be more coming. Thanks for watching. Bye.